Hello and welcome to Smart English Hub.
Hello, everyone. I'm Alex.
And I'm Mia. We are so happy you are here with us today.
Yes, welcome. Today, we have a very important topic.
That's right. Today, we will learn how to answer the question, tell me about yourself.
This is also called a self-introduction. You introduce yourself to others.
It's a very common question, so this is a great topic for you.
Exactly. Are you ready to start?
Let's begin.
So, Mia, where do people ask, tell me about yourself?
Good question, Alex. You hear it in many places.
Mm-hmm.
For example, on your first day of English class, your teacher might ask you to introduce yourself.
Right. Or at a new job, your boss or colleagues might want to know about you.
Exactly. Also, when you meet new people, like at a party or a friend's house.
So, it is very useful to know how to answer this question.
Yes, very useful. It helps you make a good first impression.
Okay, let's start with the basics. The first step is your name and where you are from.
Yes, this is the first thing to say. I will go first. Hello, my name is Mia.
My name is Alex.
You can also say, I'm Mia. It's shorter.
Right, I'm Alex. Now, let's talk about our country.
I am from the United States. I live in California.
Okay, I am from Canada. I live in Toronto.
So you say, I am from, and then your country. Then you can say, I live in, and your city.
Perfect. Let's practice one more time. My name is Alex. I am from Canada.
Great. After your name and country, you can talk about your age.
Yes, this is easy. For example, I am 28 years old.
And I am 30 years old. You just say, I am, your number, years old.
Right. Or you can just say, I'm 28.
Yes, I'm 30. Both are correct.
Next up is what you do. Are you a student? Do you have a job?
This is an important part of an introduction. I can start.
Okay.
I am an English teacher. I work at Smart English Hub.
And I am a writer. I write stories for children.
If you are a student, you can say, I am a student.
What if you study something specific?
You can say, I am a student, I study engineering, or I study art.
That's very helpful. So, I am a, and then your job. I am a doctor, I am a driver, I am an artist.
Exactly. Okay, what's next, Alex?
Let's talk about family. People often ask about your family.
Yes, you can talk about your brothers and sisters.
I can give an example. I have one brother. His name is Ben.
That's nice. I have two sisters. I am the oldest.
You can also say if you have no brothers or sisters. I am an only child.
Right, and you can say something simple about your parents. My parents live in a small town.
So you can say I have and then the number of brothers or sisters.
Perfect.
Mia, do you have any pets?
Yes, I do. I think talking about pets is a fun part of an introduction.
I agree.
I have a cat. Her name is Luna. She's black and white.
Oh, cool. I have a dog. His name is Rocky. He loves to play fetch.
So you can say, I have a dog or I have a cat.
And if you don't have a pet, you can say, I don't have any pets.
Simple and easy.
Okay, now for a delicious topic. Food.
Yes, everyone loves food. You can talk about your favorite food.
My favorite food is pizza. I love all kinds of pizza, but pepperoni is the best.
Pizza is good. My favorite food is pasta. I like spaghetti with tomato sauce.
So the sentence is simple. My favorite food is, and then the food.
Exactly. Or you can say, I like to eat. For example, I like to eat tacos. Let's move on to another favorite. Let's talk about colors.
Okay, this is an easy one to add to your introduction.
My favorite color is blue. I like the color of the ocean and the sky.
Nice. My favorite color is green. It is the color of nature, like trees and grass.
So you just say, my favorite color is, and then your color.
Very simple. My favorite color is red. My favorite color is yellow. And how about a favorite animal?
Oh, that's a fun one. People like talking about animals.
My favorite animal is a lion. I think they are very beautiful and strong.
I like lions too. My favorite animal is the dolphin. They are very smart and playful.
So again, the sentence is, my favorite animal is a...
Right. It's a nice way to share a little more about yourself.
Okay, this next part is very important. Hobbies. What do you like to do in your free time?
Yes, hobbies tell people a lot about you. It's what you do for fun.
What are your hobbies, Mia?
In my free time, I like to read books. I also like to draw pictures.
That's cool. I am more active. I like to play sports. I play soccer on the weekends with my friends.
That sounds fun.
I also like listening to music.
So you can say, I like to, and then your hobby. For example, I like to watch movies, or I like to cook.
Or you can say, my hobbies are, for example, my hobbies are reading and playing soccer.
Both ways are perfect.
That brings us to another interesting topic, languages. Many people like to share what languages they speak.
Absolutely. Especially for our listeners who are all learning English, it's a great way to connect. For example, I can say, I speak English and I am learning Spanish. Let's talk about another common topic, movies and TV shows. Right. So you can say what kind of movies you like.
For example, I like action movies. They are very exciting.
I like to watch comedy movies and shows. They make me laugh.
So you can say, I like comedy movies, or my favorite movie is.
Yes, this helps you connect with new people who like the same things.
We talked about many things we like, our favorites.
Mm-hmm.
But it can also be interesting to share something you don't like.
That's true, but we should keep it simple and light, nothing too serious.
Right. For example?
Well, I can say I don't like spiders. They scare me a little.
Okay, that's a good one. I can say, I do not like very cold weather. I prefer the summer.
See? Simple. I don't like or I do not like. It adds a little personality.
Okay, we have learned so many parts. Let's put it all together now.
Yes, let's make a complete self-introduction, a full example.
Do you want to go first, Mia?
Sure, I'll make a short and friendly introduction. Ready? Hello, my name is Mia. I'm from the United States and I live in California. I'm 30 years old. I'm an English teacher. I have 2 sisters and a pet cat named Luna. In my free time, I like to read. My favorite color is blue. It's nice to meet you.
That was perfect, Mia. Clear, friendly, and easy to understand.
Thank you. Now your turn, Alex.
Okay, here I go. Hello, I'm Alex. I'm from Canada, and I live in Toronto. I'm 28 years old. I'm a writer. I have 1 brother and a dog named Rocky. I like to play soccer and listen to music. My favorite food is pizza. It's a pleasure to meet you.
Wonderful. Our listeners can use these examples as a model.
Exactly. You don't have to say everything. Just pick a few interesting things.
That's a very good point, Alex. Your introduction can change.
Right. You don't say the same thing in a classroom and at a party.
Let's talk about that. How is it different?
Okay. In an English class, your teacher wants to know about your English learning. So you can say, hello, my name is Alex. I am from Canada. I want to learn English because I want to travel.
That's a great example. It is focused on this situation. What about at a party?
At a party, it's more casual, more relaxed. You can say, hi, I'm Alex. I'm a writer. I love soccer. What about you?
Yes, shorter and you ask a question back. That is very friendly.
So always think about where you are. Who are you talking to? This will help you choose what to say.
Okay, that was a lot of great information. Let's do a quick summary of the lesson.
Good idea. So to introduce yourself, you can talk about many things.
First, your name and country. My name is Mia. I am from the United States.
Then your age and your job. I am 28. I am a writer.
You can talk about your family and pets. I have 2 sisters and 1 cat.
And you can share your favorites, favorite food, color, or animal.
And don't forget your hobbies. I like to read books and draw.
And remember to change your introduction for the situation.
It's all about sharing a little bit about who you are in a simple way.
Now we have a task for you, our amazing listeners.
Yes, it is your turn to practice. Practice is very important for learning.
We want you to write your own self-introduction.
Use the ideas from our lesson today. Write about your name, your country, your job, your hobbies, and your favorites.
Write it down in the comments section below this podcast.
We would love to read your introductions and get to know you.
Don't be shy. It's great practice.
Well, that is all the time we have for today.
Thank you so much for listening to Smart English Hub.
We hope this lesson was helpful for you. Now you can be confident when someone asks you to tell them about yourself.
Don't forget to subscribe to Smart English Hub for more English conversations.
We will be back next week. Until then, keep practicing.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye for now.